Hey guys, welcome back to Excite Audio. I'm Kallen and today we are gonna do a project. The project is known as Project Honda FC. So now I'm on my way towards Pitska Audio to do the installation. Stay tuned guys. So guys, here am I at Pitska Audio and the car is being doing there. So let's see the updates, yeah? So for today, we are going to use the Infinity reference for the front, and for the back will be the reference as well, right? It's a coaxial speaker and it's going to be run as an active setup, so we will be using Nakamichi for today's project. And for the active subwoofer, we'll be using the XLF1808. And we will be having the DSP harness so that we will remain as a plug and play setup. So this setup, as you can see, is quite similar towards the Myvi setup, right? So the listening experience will be slightly similar to it, right? Follow up for more details.
Before I met you, I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, let's tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city and I broke down driving. 4 years, no calls, now you're looking. Karisa Kattu kavide annukulla vilundiye nenjukulla neranjiye.
So guys, that was our project. Do like, share and subscribe to us today. Do let us know what you'd like to see in our next content. Drop the comments below guys. Cheers.